Lamy Amtrak stop, Lamy, New Mexico. Really a nice place. It's just a train stop, and as I said, today it's running late again, so it's gonna be at 4 o'clock. It's 3:30, so I'll wait for it. You don't see places like this anymore. That's what makes it so nice. And they have kept this place the same. Well, they got the air conditioner running on that caboose there. So maybe they're using it. It's a nice tree. It looks dead, but it's not. It's going green up top, it looks like. Oh. Very nice. I like the brick walkway. And when the train stops here, the engine would be way up there in the front. And all the way back here, people are unloading and loading. But usually here there's a few people loading and unloading. It's really for Santa Fe people and the surrounding areas. So there could be 20, 30 people maximum unloading and loading back up. So it only stops for 5 minutes. I like the smell of the diesels of the engines.